This is a aircraft cleaning class. We have Pierre and Bernard underneath the plane, cleaning away all the grease, all the soot carbon deposit from the exhaust section. Hi, Bernard.
What's up, Rashid?
Okay, so we are doing a project on Pierre's aircraft. A Cessna 150. We are at MANASSAS Airport at the wash rack of ATP. Hi Pierre, having fun?
Hello! Nice day for a plane wash.
Yeah, nice cloudy day for a plane wash.
You want to solve the bottom, Pierre?
Yeah.
Hi Pierre, hi Bernard. I see you finished washing your plane. Looks all good and shiny. Yeah. So Pierre, who will talk first? Pierre, Bernard, anybody? What did you do on your plane to tell the next class what to do when washing the plane?
We identified it was dirty. We brought it over to the wash rack, and then we set up our chocks and put it in place and got the hose ready. And then Bernard put the tape on
the static. Oh, the static hole.
On your static part, yeah.
Put out.
Put out and your
the star warning.
Okay, that's good.
Make sure you always cover them on any plane. And it may not be in the same place. Make sure you cover them.
Okay, thank you, Bernard.
And then we used extreme simple green and sprayed it on and used soft sponges to apply it and rinse off the film of dirt that was on it. And then did section by section and went all the way around the airplane.
And as you were doing section, you were rinsing it as
yes.
You did not want the soap to stay on it. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And then we dried it off at the end so that the water would be quick to evaporate.
It looks all shiny now.
Thank you.
And what did you do to your propeller?
Now I'm going to wax it this weekend.
Okay.
On the propeller, I applied some LPS3 to
corrosion prevention.
Prevent corrosion. It's got a paint finish, but it's always good to put on the LPS3 as well. And I did it on both sides and then rubbed it out.
Okay.
And that's about it.
Okay, thank you. So now back to tie down position.
Yes, now we get to push it back.
The tie down position. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
For a job well done. So this might be A. Okay, so we brought the plane back to the tie down position.
So it was real slow.
Yeah.
Tie down the struts
Looked like it.
on both wings, then tie down the tail.
Let's keep an eye on him. See if he speeds up. Bring this around to the over the top while watching this guy.
So Pierre, now what are you doing?
We're putting the cover on and tying. Yeah.
And then you close your openings.
Yeah, I've put in covers to keep the birds out too.
And then they do not remove.
Should be prominently displayed.
Okay, that's good. To prevent birds from making their nest in your engine.
Okay. Keep going. Looks like he's coming in the lane. He's way high that first time. Yeah.
So all done.
Ready for putting to bed.
Manassas Airport, beautiful sunset. That's nice.